No! No! Really? Got a stain! This early in the morning, really? Really? Holy smokes. Aloha sparkles! Now we're gonna go, Bobby. Just make sure I have stuff. Okay. And we're good! Okay, moving on, rolling through. Here we go. Aloha sparkles! And welcome to today's vlog. So, as you can see, it's just me in the car alone with the babies. A rare sight, right? I don't typically love to go on outings by myself with all three babies, especially doing errands. That is so not my favorite thing to do. Just because, you know, obvious reasons. Chasing toddlers around public places isn't the most fun thing, but the reason that I fear most going out with all three babies by myself is just that it's so unknown. It's like, you don't know what's gonna happen. It's like anything could happen. Anybody could throw a tantrum, anyone could start screaming anywhere at any time. Get randomly hungry, randomly need diaper changes. It just becomes a lot and your brain starts to get a little bit frazzled. So that's why I prefer to drop the boys off with their grandpa before I go into town to do things like go to the bank and stuff like that. That way, hey Kai. So I have the three babies and I was actually gonna have to go to do all my errands with them. I thought I had nobody to watch them, but I actually am gonna be able to drop them off at their grandpa's, which is a big, big help. So it's just gonna be me and Ever going downtown. Well, it's not called downtown, but going basically pretty far away, about 45 minutes to an hour away from where we live. That's where all of the public buildings to do errands and stuff are located. We live kind of in a more remote part from that, I would say. So I'm headed over that way and the grandpa's is on the way there, so that's awesome. Yeah, I might meet up with my friend for lunch or something like that. Maybe do some window shopping, just have a little mom moment. I'm hoping to do that, so yeah, we'll see what the day entails, but that is what we are headed to do. This is actually one of my first times driving our van, and wow, can I just say this is a smooth ride. Toyota Sienna drivers, woof, this is so nice. Alright, all done with errands. So now I'm at the mall, I'm meeting my friend, and we're gonna just look around. I think we're gonna get lunch too. And Evie's kind of upset. So let's get Evie. Oh, hi Evie. You've been with mommy on her missions today. Now we're gonna go get out and have fun. Hi Boo. Hi Andreas.
I wore this.
Kind of cute. Little romper. Proud of me. Just got this outfit, guys.
We're at a restaurant and I brought my drone with me.
Best game of the year. My friend's having her virgin margarita. This is so random. We have never been here before. So I just left my friend and the mall. I got this little top and I got some jeans because, well, I really don't have any jeans actually. I think I have one pair and they're from high school, like before I had the babies. So I don't have any mom jeans, if you know what I mean. My updated size in jeans. And I'm feeling fresh, you guys. I'm feeling fresh. So now we're gonna go get the boys. Now I got off work, so he's at home. He drove the white car, you know. Now we're just gonna go get the boys and head home to Naya. What about? Yeah, baby. Cuddle puddle. What do you think, Miss Ev? Okay, Kai, do a flip. Can you do a flip? Do a flip.
Going north. It's a gamble, but we're willing to take it.
Yellow car. Yellow car. It's gray. Gray car.
Oh man.
You see the red car?
Yeah, I see.
Are we going on a hike down to the ocean?
Come on.
Such a pretty sight.
I have the prettiest Polaroid right here. Like, I think it's up there, and there's like some bougainvillea.
Over it. Go through it. Whoa! They ran away, but look where they ran. I can't believe you got over here. So nice. So we came in far over there and we thought we were just gonna run along the beach and find a nice spot that way to go put our stuff. But then the boys started running this way and I had to run after them. And this is where we ended up. I've never been back here. How do you feel about the waterfall, Evie? I didn't even wear my bathing suit today. I just am wearing like a little romper because honestly I feel like none of my bathing suits fit me right. So I'm going to get a new bathing suit. I don't know if I should get a one piece or a bikini, but I'm definitely getting a new bathing suit soon. Sticking our water in the river so it gets chilly. You swimming? You're swimming? Ocean water. Coda. He's chasing down a little acorn. It's floating away. Nay. Is it cold? Coda doesn't want to try. Coda, we could go slow. You want to go slow on the surfboard? Jump, jump, Kika, jump on. Jump, jump on. So as you know, 5-month-old baby Ever is teething, and she has been teething for quite some time now. So I have been on the lookout for the perfect teethers for a long time. You know, some are okay, but some are excellent. I was lucky enough to find Drooly's teething toys, which are BPA-free teething toys shaped like fruits. So we have a pineapple, bananas, grapes, and our favorite watermelon teething toy, which we actually have clipped on to Ever's car seat. So it's always handy for her while we're in the car, and she loves that, and it makes her very happy. The Drooly's package also comes with this little finger brush teether, which I love to use on Ever's gums. She loves biting on this. So what Everly has is Drooly's Ultimate Teething Kit. Oh, I actually reached out to Drooly's and they sponsored this video for us today. So thank you to Drooly's. We absolutely love your teethers and your products. In my opinion, Drooly's teethers are the most durable and quality teethers on the market from what I've found. I just love that they're fruits, obviously. I love how they're so easy to grip for my little baby. I love that I can just switch out the fruits, give her the banana, give her the pineapple to look at, and we get a little versatility with our teethers. So baby Ever loves these teethers room temperature, but they're also really amazing in the freezer or the fridge, which also feels really good on their gums. I also love that Drooly's are BPA free and FDA approved. Drooly's is all around an eco-friendly, amazing company. So the reason that I wanted to team up with Drooly's in particular is right now they are doing a Give One campaign. So for every purchase made on Drooly's, they are actually giving away teethers to a maternity ward. So they are giving these teethers to new moms in maternity wards so they can learn more and understand more about the importance of BPA-free products. How cool is that? So not only are these my absolute favorite teethers on the market and the most eco-friendly, amazing teethers out there, but they are actually giving back as well. Drooly's are relatively inexpensive, so I also have a 25% off discount code that you can use, Sparkling25, for 25% off of your purchase. So go check out Drooly's, let me know what you think, and thank you again to Drooly's for sponsoring this video. Okay, so we got home from the beach. We put the boys down for a nap because they were really tired from the beach. So now we're gonna answer
Question of the day.
Question of the day. Today's question of the day is from Allison Grizzle. Wanted us to do a whole video about pros and cons about living in Kauai, but I thought it would be cool to just answer that on a question of the day. So, because I think we can do it rather quickly.
Yeah.
Pros.
Warm weather.
Beautiful.
Tropical climate. Ocean.
Warm weather and tropical climate is the same thing.
Okay, whatever. Good fruits and vegetables.
Cool people, small town vibe, but that could also be a con if you're not into that.
The ocean. Beaches.
Just
Sunshine.
a unique way of life, a special way to live. Natural,
Surfing.
wholesome, grounding, nurturing. Cons, horrid restaurants.
Expensive
Bad
living
food.
costs.
Expensive living costs. Everything's expensive here. No
Rain.
city. No city.
Oh yeah, isolation.
Yeah, isolation. And if you take that as a pro or con, I don't know, wherever
Yeah.
you're Oh, yeah, there's not so much opportunities on this island to do so much stuff. I don't know, maybe there is to some people, but It's not, yeah, there's no city, so it just doesn't have city opportunities. Yeah, the food is the worst part, I'm telling you. And the expensiveness. Like, by no food, there's just no, like, yummy restaurants. Like
everything wears down and breaks down way faster.
Stuff gets dirtier and, like, more.
Because, yeah, everything gets moldy and, like, mildewy if you don't clean it and take care of it constantly. And all your cars rust, everything rusts, all the metal rusts, and it just breaks down way faster than anywhere else.
Not much ships over here.
Yeah, you can't get a lot of stuff shipped over here, like furniture.
Unless you want to pay, you know, as much as the piece of furniture costs in shipping costs.
Or more.
Yeah, I think those are the basic pros. The camera died. But that was our answer to the question of the day.
Question of the day.
And that was today's vlog for the day. So we hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more. We'll see you later.
Aloha.